Hi guys, good morning and happy Raksha Bandhan. So today I finally, thought of vlogging a whole day because you guys love such kind of videos and I try to do at least once a month. So today is Raksha Bandhan and it's quite early. It's 7:30 a.m. in the morning. Why I woke up this early? Because we are going to Ghaziabad to tie Rakhi to one of my brothers because he can't come this year because he's a little sick. And this is what I am wearing. It's a very simple, cotton kurta and with plazo. So basically, I have. Injury in my leg and I can't walk, so this time my dad is driving us to the place and I'll vlog the whole day. So if you are new, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel below and let's get started. I'll show you what I all got for the Rakhis and of course my outfit and what I did all day. So this is like a very simple festival and today is Sunday, so basically मेरी छुट्टी तो गई. इस साल सारे के सारे जो भी festivals हैं, those are on Sundays. So basically all the holidays are gone and Sunday is becoming hectic. So that is one thing. So let's get started. So I wanted to show you guys one product. This footage is from a day before Rakhi and tonight I am going to the movies to see one new movie of Akshay Kumar and I wanted to show you guys this bag which I received this morning and it's so beautiful. I can't even tell you. This is 100% vegan and handmade. This is from a brand named Zoke Online, zoke.co.in. I will mention on the screen as well and also in the description box you can check this out. They make handbags of different shapes and sizes. These are all handmade and these are PETA certified, so there is no any kind of harmful material that is used in it and it's very sturdy. The quality is so nice and it's embroidered. So these type of angular bags are very popular nowadays and I just love the quality. It has like big chain over here and the packaging was also quite good and I received this product in such a very short time. It got delivered so fast. I'll show you from inside. It has such huge storage यहाँ पे अंदर की साइड and the zips are of so good quality. You also you get this name of the brand written over here and it's good for gifting as well. एक छोटी सी pocket पीछे आ जाती है. Very nice and colorful also, so it goes with very different outfits like Indian पे भी चला जाएगा and also western clothes. So currently I'm wearing western clothes and I thought of wearing yellow and it goes so well with beige and yellow and it looks so trendy. You can also check out their Instagram page. They have different variety and जो cloth है वो भी different patterns में है. You can get according to your liking. I got this one but they have big handbags, backpacks, and they have luggage bag. You can also use my code which is mentioned on the screen right here for 15% off on your purchase. You can definitely check out their Instagram or their website for all the details about this product and this is made in India, so you have to check it out and please support all of these businesses because they do a lot of hard work in creating such amazing products. So guys, it's 11 p.m. We just got over with the movie. Look at my bag. And it was a good movie, but thoda sa it was like over dramatic. I think real mein it won't have been so dramatic, but for one time watch definitely it's a yay. So go and watch Bell Bottom. So guys, I'll just show you what I bought for Rakhi. So this time I bought a bunch of Rakhis because I don't know, it's just that some people are coming home this time and it usually does not happen every year. So I bought this very pretty Rakhi with evil eye on it. You know how obsessed I am lately with this evil eye thing. So I got 3 similar ones. Then I got this Ben 10 Rakhi and I think it's on from here. So it has this light. So basically this one is for Shiva and I got a similar one. Oh my god, it has 3 different lights and I got a similar one for Jenny because they fight a lot and I have to get same thing for that. and these are for my brother. So this one is for Vyane. This is like a bhabhi wali rakhi, and for girls we have different because they tie in their bangles. And this one is for Vivek. So these are the rakhi that I bought, and I'm currently getting ready. It's morning time, and I'm going to Ghaziabad. So I'm wearing this very pretty earrings. You must have seen this in the vlog of Lajpat Nagar. And this chain, this was gifted to me by my mom. So I'm wearing this, and then I'm taking this bag because it matches my suits really good. So this one is from Miniso, and I bought this from Amazon. I show you guys in the other vlog, and it is like very, very nice, and it goes with everything. So one thing more that my mom bought me recently from Amazon only was this very, very pretty mask. Okay, so it has this black thread on it. So this very pretty white mask which goes with every single outfit, and they got a pair of 3 I think, and for it was for 350 rupees, and she bought me on Tej. I really, really like this. So guys, we are about to reach in like 5 minutes, and it's like 1.5 hours away. And if you want to buy such kurtis and also home decor and kitchen stuff, then you can definitely check out Bulbul and Mera, link in the description box. They have a wide range of different type of products for women and men as well, and the collection is amazing. Most of my stuff is from there, and as compared to other websites, it's quite cheap. And they have like 5 days return policy, exchange policy. They have cash on delivery, and they also have WhatsApp buddy from where you can buy directly from WhatsApp. So it's super easy, and also very, very convenient. So you can definitely check out all my favorite collections of different categories from the app listed below. So definitely check the link in the description.
Bueno, pues ya estamos empezando por aquí con nuestra ceremonia. Vivek está haciendo todo lo referente porque yo no sé hacerla, entonces no le puedo ayudar. Así que esto es algo entre ellos dos. Jenny, your legs.
Oh, wait. Jenny, you need to do this and you need to touch here, okay? Yeah.
Go a little on the
and
side.
This. Go now. No. First, hold this. Quita de eso.
Put on
Put
Baya
on
hand.
Baya.
You need to put on Baya hand.
Jenny, otherwise no KK and no money. Quiero KK? No quiero KK. Come here, Jenny.
Ándale, vaya. Sí. Pues ya terminamos aquí la ceremonia. Los niños acaban de recibir su regalo por parte de mi suegro y Jennifer. Shiva don't know, but Jenny knows.
Shiva.
Jenny, ¿qué es eso?
Shiva.
Cami, ¿qué es eso? Para... Look at Shiva, is it? He is about to eat. Wow, Jenny, Mari.
So guys, this is it for today's video. This is what I did on Raksha Bandhan. It wasn't a long video because after coming back from Ghaziabad, it was like a 3-hour long jam, and I was driving with my leg broken and it was hurting so much. After coming back, I was so tired that I just put on Rakhi on Vivek and Jenny Shiva, and after that I slept for almost 3 hours. So we were waiting for another brother to come, but because we were stuck in jam, we could not, and uski Rakhi to this time I could not tie him, but I'll send him the Rakhi, and of course he also sent me some chocolates, and I got a lot of chips, Pepsi, chocolate, and all of this because I don't like chocolate, so most of them give me chips. But I also got dinero, a lot of mucho dinero, and which is the best part of this festival, of course. And the makeup that I did, so a lot of you guys will be asking in the comments of the tutorial. So this makeup look I did yesterday, same as it is, and I wore a different kurta, and I shot a reel of the tutorial. I put it on YouTube as well as on Insta. I'll put it on the screen as well, you can check it out. And if you like that, you can definitely try it. It's very simple. It almost took like 10 minutes to do the whole makeup, and it was super easy, so you can definitely try that out. And this is it. I hope you like this. Comment down below, rate my outfit and my makeup, and if you like such small vlogs, I would be doing more of vlogging. I am just getting used to it, and I don't know what to show you guys because my day is not so exciting as other influencers, but I'm trying to do once a month. If you want to see more, then comment down below, and until next time, bye. Happy Raksha Bandhan.